They secretly installed a new app to show more ads to you. So in this video, I will show you how you can disable this hidden app step by step. Oh, and one thing that I forgot to mention in this video, you don't need to know anything about tech. Just follow all this step by step. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you want to help our channel grow up, become a member so you don't waste more time configuring your phone. And my dears, sorry about my English, I'm trying to talk to you in English. Let's go to screen of my phone to you check this step by step. So my dears, the first thing you need to do is looking for the Play Store app. When you find it, just tap right here in these options. It will show the main screen of Play Store. Tap right here in the top right corner on your icon, right here. After that, it will show this screen. You scroll down until you find these options, help and feedback. Tap right here and it will show these options. Now you must scroll down until you find search help right here. Tap in this information and write app. Tap in the first options, delete apps on your Android. Scroll down in these options right here until you see these options, delete apps that you installed, and tap right here in this blue icon. Tap to go to application settings. It will show all apps are installed inside your phone, inside your mobile. And this is step by step that I'll show you. It will work for all kinds of Android mobile. If you're using Samsung, Xiaomi, LG, Motorola, any kind of phone you're using. Now, looking for these options right here inside your apps to the settings options. And after that, it will show these options. Show system apps. We need to tap right here in these options to enable the settings. Tap in OK. And after that, it will show for you all apps hidden. My dears, after that, it will show all apps. Scroll down until you find add privacy. Tap right here in add privacy just to check if this app appears for you. Scroll down and you will see you can't delete this app, but don't worry about that. I'll show you how you can disable these options. And we need to check another app right here in this page. Just tap in back right here to you show this screen and scroll down until you find the letter D to see if in your mobile you will have this app. Digital Wellbeing. Tap right here and it will show this screen. Tap right here in force stop, tap in OK, and after that step in back. Now we need to change many settings inside these two apps. Just tap right here in these three line points at the top right corner and it will show this information, special access. Tap right here and it will show many options right here. The first thing we need to disable it is inside in notification access. Tap right here in notification access and in these options you just need to turn it off the digital well-being. Tap right here and tap in turn it off. After that, tap in back right here. Scroll down until you find usage data access. Tap right here and after that it will show this screen. You need to tap right here at the top right corner in these three line points and tap in show system apps and it will show many apps. Just turn it off these settings in add privacy. You scroll down until you find digital well-being and turn it off again. And my dears, don't forget, leave a comment down here if this step by step works, subscribe to the channel and become a member. I hope I help you with this simple tutorial. Stay with God, leave a like and until the next video. See ya!